Calibrations. This video explains the checks you need to do before starting the ventilation. In this video, you will learn how to examine sensor calibration, valves calibration, and patient circuit tests. You must perform these tests before connecting the ventilator to the patient. Before starting the calibration, make sure that the device is plugged into the power, and make sure the device is connected to oxygen and air supply. Biyovent provides users with a very easy calibration screen. You can open the calibration screen by pressing the Device Test button. You need to do 3 types of calibration. If there is a green check mark with the completed text at the end of these tests, this means the device is calibrated. If there is a red cross, it indicates that the test has not been performed or has not been performed successfully. In this case, it can be understood that you should definitely do the named test. When you press the sensor calibration button to do the sensor calibration, there is an animation showing how to do it in the schematic. Make sure the expiratory valve is installed to do sensor calibration. Also, the patient circuit should not be connected in this calibration. Calibration will start when you click on the animation. When you see a green check mark on the screen, this indicates that the calibration is completed. Press the valves calibration button to calibrate the valves. Then connect a hose of the patient circuit to the exhalation and expiration outlets. When you press the button on the animation, calibration will start. This calibration takes longer than other calibrations, about 10 minutes. When the calibration is finished, you see the completed and the green check mark. To calibrate the patient circuit, press the patient circuit test button and install the patient circuit as shown. After removing the test balloon or the channel to the patient, clog it with your finger. Then press the animation as shown. If you see the completed text next to all 3 calibrations, the calibration is finished successfully. You can also see the remaining time for oxygen sensor maintenance and battery maintenance on this screen. After the calibration process is completed, you can touch the Open Ventilation Screen button to return to the standby screen.